Hey guys, today we are playing a game that seems pretty fun, but it kinda does not work. If you guys want me to do a part 2 when this game is fixed, because I said it was in beta, then make sure to leave a like and comment and subscribe. Wait, this actually looks cool. Alright, 10 minutes. Oh man. All right. Oh. Got it. What is this? What is this game, bro? Servers. Congratulations on that. Did I join? Did I join? Nobody joined. This better work. How do I do? Oh, I made my own server. Camera mod. Oh, what the? Bruh.
Grab you collected.
Alright.
You have to sell all of it to the company before the deadline ends, so you can meet the perfect quota and avoid getting executed or
what
fired.
the?
Please, make the company happy.
Wait, did he just say
travels.
executed? Whoa, guys, that's me. Man, I'm ugly. I mean, who said that? Alright, chat, let's go play this game. Oh, what the? Alright, we back.
Way to storage and transport all the scrap you collected. You have to sell all of it to the company before the deadline ends, so you can meet the perfect quota and avoid getting executed or fired. Please, make the company happy and happy travels.
Open the door. Why is this game not working? What is this? What the? Oh, what? The door's open, guys. Oh, why is it so laggy? Am I flying, guys? Oh, whoa. Chat, I'm flying. Whoa. This game's weird. We doing a Yellow Monkey video by ourselves, guys. We by ourselves, and we ain't with no one. And y'all know I'm scared. Why is this hand not working, guys? Yeah. Ooh, I don't like that. What is that? There's a door. You already know. Yellow Monkey gonna get to that door, bro. Is there a worm thingy after me? Fire exit. Whoa, what the? What is that? Chat, what was that? What is that? Why was there a clown? And why is there a big chungus? This guy, is he coming after me? Oh no! I actually joined the room. Yo, wait. Can you hear me? You goober? Can you hear me, goober? Alright. This game, I played it for like 5.1 seconds. I'm making a video. Come on, guys. We're gonna be Sigmas. I was in a private lobby by myself, and I was too scared, so I'm back here.
Do you see the red text on the door entering the facility?
Oh yeah, trust me. When I was in the lobby by myself, I went in there. The clown boy was right there. I almost pee-peed my pants.
Inside this lobby, if you see a little red thing on the door, that means you can't go through it, or else you'll fall through the map.
Guys, we're back in. Alright, I had to shut my door fully. Alright guys, we're back in onto another day. I don't even know. Another day. And I'm ready this time. It's another day. And we're gonna do this. And we're gonna find a lobby. And we're gonna work this out. Because right now, this game is laggy. Come on, come on! Come on. Are they privates? Oh, I'm joining in one. Because my hands are gone.
Oh my.
Hi guys, my name is Skibidi Toilet.
Really bad.
Alright, so. Oh. Ain't no way my game crashed. Right when I started recording again in the lobby, my game just crashed. A lobby with just two. Oh, my hands are gone. Good sign. Hello? Hello? Is that KSI? I want to see how beautiful I am, guys.
Hello, bro.
Hi there. My name's Yellow Monkey. I'm
I
doing a
just
YouTube
got
video.
this game. Can you show me around?
I don't know anything. I got this game yesterday. I didn't even play it because I had to go to bed.
Let's show you this
Well,
game out.
we're in this together. We're in this together. Give me a fizz button before we do this. All I know, there's a clown guy and a giant guy. We have to click the red one. I mean the green one. The green one.
The green one!
I don't know. Why isn't it working?
Let us out.
You have to click the green one, not the red one. Maybe there's something. Oh, there we go. Ah! Where'd you go? Where'd you go? No! He didn't do it. No! Is he coming? Come on, you got this. Don't leave. I believe in you. You got this. Come on. He's about to leave. This is gonna take a while, isn't it? Two out of 10. And it's not gonna load me in because you all can see hands are still there. That's not Sigma. There we go. It's gonna load me in because I get this game, guys. I get this. Oh, what the?
Oh, dollars! Wow.
Chat, where am I? What is this place?
Chat, we're at the selling
What
machine,
is
bro.
this place,
Chat,
bro?
We're at the Fortnite selling machine.
What is this place?
Wait, guys, I know which one to go.
No, I got the game, but my PC won't let it work. Hello? Where even are we?
Everyone back in the ship, or you're gonna... I don't wanna!
You're gonna explode if you don't get
Guys, I've never played this game. Is it Skibidi Toilet out of 10? What would you rate it? Is it Skibidi out of 10? Is it Skibidi out of 10?
Entering. Guys, I pressed the button and it's not entering.
Enter the... No, let me back! Let me back!
I took off the way.
Guys! Guys, come back!
Come back.
Come back! It's his fault! He did it! He did it! It's his fault! He did it!
No, he did it. He did it. Gotcha. I'm gonna go sell.
The ship! No! It crashed my game. I'm gonna find that Sigma lobby. That lobby will teach me everything I know. Everything I need to know. I'm joining the lobby, guys. My hands are gone. Hi there, guys! My name is... What the... Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Bruh! You gotta be kidding me. Bruh. Hey guys, I ended the video a little early to save me editing. And your guys' time. Because it would have just been a long video of me joining lobby from lobbies. Because that game, the lobbies were kind of broken. I mean, the game is in beta. It's a really cool game. And I would love to do a part 2. But it's up to you guys. Even though I'm probably going to do a part 2 anyway. Oh, and I hope you like the new little emoji, guys. I'm just trying something new. Make sure to like and subscribe. Albino orangutan style.